Hi everyone. So I have something called the eye bag solution. This is a very effective product. A lot of people has inquired about it. This is not like an eye cream that you just apply it on. You have to infuse it with mesotherapy. So if you apply it topically, it's not going to work. So I'm going to do a demonstration of how to use it because a lot of people, they have inquired through Facebook and Instagram, and I found that a lot of people, they don't like to read. They are okay to watch videos, but they're just not okay to read things. So I'm just going to make it simple for you guys. So each of the eye bag solution comes with 5 little guys. And each guys has 1.5 m. You don't need the whole thing. So each time, I'm going to give you some of these as well. Okay, this is called the micro needling. Very easy to use. And it's no pain. Completely no pain. Okay, so what you do is, this one, you cannot reuse. So basically, each time, you just open one package. And you take out this serum and put it in here. So I am going to give you this needle as well. Put it in. You put it inside. Remember, this bottle cannot be reused. And inside, and there is 0.25 needle inside. So do not use your hand to touch it and feel it, okay? Because you're going to cross-contaminate yourself. So what you do is, you don't need to be afraid because it's absolutely no pain. You open your eyes, like the way that I asked you to, and then you stamp it in. And you have to stamp a couple of times before the serum can actually comes out. It's no pain, right? Yeah. You just feel some pressure. On the same day, if you want to infuse something, it's fine. But after today, if you want to infuse, like after today's usage, you have to toss it away. So when you're at home, you just patiently stamp yourself. This solution is eye bag solution, and I have another one for dark circle. So it is from a pharmaceutical company, and like all our numbing cream is from that place. It's very useful. So basically, you have to stamp it until all the serum got infused in. Did you see all the serum? Did you see it's wet? So because this needling has a needle, so whenever I'm stamping it in, it's at the same time it infused the serum inside. But because we just did the sublative laser already, so your pores is kind of like open up. It's the perfect timing for you to do this treatment. So until the very last drop got infused in. Slowly. So for those of you who is doing it at home, you have to clean your face properly before you do this, and also you do not touch here. Here has like needles, right? It's not a painful treatment, right?
No.
Yeah. So patiently do it. So still have some. Don't toss it away because it's very expensive. You don't need to do it on your eyelid because this is eye bag solution. So target it on the eye bags area. And lines, if you have any lines, you can infuse it in as well. For nurses, if nurses wanted to do mesotherapy on clients, you can just inject it in, and it's an amazing cocktail, and I guarantee you 0 results. And there are some mesotherapy for necklines, And this one is for eye bags particularly. The other one is for dark circle, and some of them is for neckline. I can share with you the before and after picture. But remember, these little guys is not for reuse. It's not reusable. No matter how you disinfected it, you cannot disinfect it. Okay, so you cannot reuse these little guys. After each time, you just need to toss it away.